Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can do the vintage poster filter trend on TikTok. So for that, if you are looking for the effect here in effects gallery, you will not get the effect here in TikTok because this effect is from Snapchat. So you need to have Snapchat in your device, and once you have Snapchat on your device, what you can do, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website, go to this page, and here you will see the snap code for this filter. If you're browsing this website in your laptop or PC, you can scan the snap code with your Snapchat mobile app, and if you're browsing this website in your mobile, just tap on the code and open it with Snapchat. Okay, you will see this pop-up, unlock for 48 hours. Just tap there to unlock the filter. Now what you have to do, you have to record a video here in Snapchat, and you can save it to your camera roll, and from there you can use the video in TikTok. Okay, so let's record a small video. Let's save it. Let's go to TikTok. Okay, so this is the upload button here in TikTok. This is the video we just made. Select the video, hit next. Okay, hit next. If you want to add some music or some sticker, you can do it here, and once you are done, you can hit next and you are ready to share it to TikTok. So that's it, guys. Likewise, you can do this vintage poster trend on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video, guys. See you in the next video.